Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a few hairstyles as a man with long hair. Let's get right into it. The first hairstyle is the side part. So basically, it's just with the bangs over to the side. You could also put the bangs behind your ears and pull the back part over to keep everything intact. The next hairstyle is everything tucked behind the ears. So you can grab everything and just pull it nice and easy over the ears. This can give you a nice, fresh look for if you're going to go see grandma and grandpa, and it helps keep everything out of your face. You can also incorporate a mid part into this, so just part the middle of your hair, somewhat in the middle, and tuck it between your ears. There you go. With this part hairstyle, you can also have it back just flowing like this, and you'll look kind of like a Viking. It's definitely a cool look, but I wouldn't recommend it all the time. You can push your hair back like this, but it's probably just gonna go back into that regular stance. So as you get long hair, you'll eventually be able to tie it up into different variations. So that's why we have this handy hairband. The first hairband style I'm going to show you is called the samurai. This is where you grab the top part of your bangs and you pull it back to the side. I usually grab my thumb and pull it up from near my ears and make a pony. So with this, there's two ways of doing it. You could tie it up so that it is just a ponytail. Like that. Or you can take it out and do it as a bun. There we go. I personally like the bun version of this hairstyle better, but it all depends on your personal preference. This style is great for going to the gym, great for doing physical activities or cooking, cleaning, so that you don't have your hair in your face. You can keep it all back, but still have a little bit of action on the sides coming down. The next hairstyle I'm going to show you is the full ponytail. With this, I carefully grab all my hair and pull everything back. Grab the bottoms, loop it up, make sure you have everything. Start feeding everything from the top to the bottom. And then, once you think you have everything, just go ahead and tie it up near the bottom. And there you go. This is the full ponytail. As your hair gets longer than my hair, it'll become easier and easier to tie your hair up. If this is something that you want to do, you can feel free and go ahead. Some of the last hairstyles that I'll show you will be incorporating the man bun. With the man bun, there's two ways that I like to do it. The first way is either to do it near the top, or the second way is to do it similar to the ponytail, but do it near the bottom. Depending on how long your hair is, you should be able to do both. So with the top man bun, grab everything and feed it upwards. Feed it up, feed it up, feed it up. Once you think you have everything, you can go ahead and tie it up like we've been doing it all along. Everything feels pretty tidy, and I will show you what I got going on back there. These neck hairs can be quite frisky. I recommend that you go to a hairdresser and ask them to trim them up once in a while. They'll usually do it for about $5 plus a tip. The last hairstyle I'll show you is the bottom man bun. So again, grab everything and pull it back. Just like the ponytail, but instead of doing the ponytail, grab one loop and cut it off like that. This might be a little loose, but you get the idea. So this is kind of like a low man bun or a half ponytail, cut off ponytail. And this one's also great for doing exercise or cleaning up around the house, just so that you don't get that hair all over your face. For reference, I've been growing my hair for 18 months, 1.5 years, and you can see my hair growth journey in my other playlist. That sums it up for my men's hairstyle tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to check out my hair growth journey. I started growing my hair from the bottom all the way to the top. I filmed my first video at 9 months and went all the way to 18 months. Hope you all have a good day. See you next time.